लाड़काना लिए चलेंगे आपको, जहां पर वज़ीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Was the chief guest at the first convocation of Chanka Medical University in 1989, and today, sir, you have followed in her footsteps. We gathered in Ladkana, a city woven into the very soul of Sindh's history, a land that has given birth to giants, a visionary leader like Shaheed Ali Bhutto, who ignited the flame of empowerment, and Shaheed Benazir Bhutto, whose life was a testament to the unwavering courage and her sacrifice for democracy. Their legacy is not merely in a memory. It lives in institutions like this one, established to fulfill the dreams for the people. This university stands on a foundation vision from Chanka Medical College, laid down in 1973 to nurture local heroes to its elevation into this premier university, a dream of Shaheed Benazir Bhutto herself, to create a complete ecosystem of healthcare professionals. Today, this institution is not just an educational hub. It is a beacon of hope, serving millions across Ladkana, Kambar Shahdadkot, Shikarpur, Jacobabad, Dadu, and beyond. On behalf of the government and the people of Sindh, I offer you our heartiest congratulations. Looking around you, the moments, your caps, your gowns, your degrees is a testament to your relentless perseverance. Many of you have overcome significant hurdles to be here. You represent not just personal triumph, but the triumph of your families, your communities, and the enduring belief that education lifts all. You are now stepping into a sacred covenant, the covenant of healing. You are acutely aware of the challenges that await, especially in our rural landscapes: resource constraints, preventable diseases, and gaps in maternal emergency care. Let me be clear here. The government of Sindh is your committed partner. We are investing heavily and strategically in health infrastructure, upgrading hospitals, expanding medical colleges, and ensuring our institutions like this one are equipped and empowered. But infrastructure alone heals no one. It is the compassion in your hands, the knowledge in your minds, and the commitment in your hearts that will transform this system. You just heard Shaheed Benazir Bhutto's speech in the 1989 convocation. So just to follow up, I call upon you, not just as Chief Minister of Sindh, but as a fellow citizen. Serve where you are needed most. Your greatest strength is your roots. You speak the language of your patients. You understand the context and you carry their trust. Serving in the public sector, in rural health centers, in the districts of your origin, this is the highest form of service. It is patriotism in action. You have the power to bridge the critical gap between healthcare we have and a healthcare our people deserve. I must commend the dedicated faculty and the administration of this university. Your resilience in upholding excellence amongst challenges is commendable. You are the architects of this success. To the parents and families, your silent sacrifices, your unwavering support have built the foundation upon which today stands. This degree is as much yours as it is the graduates. Dear graduates, as you move forward, remember, medicine is a journey of lifelong learning and profound humanity. Uphold the highest ethics. Treat every patient with dignity. Be ambassadors of this great institution and the noble profession you now join. The Pakistan People's Party, Government of Sindh, extends its steadfast support to Shaheed Benazir Bhutto University. We will continue to champion it and all institutions of learning and healing across Sindh for they are the bedrock of our progress. Once again, congratulations to you all. May your careers be blessed, your hands be steady, and your commitment to the people of Sindh never waver. Go forth and heal. Make us proud. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।